How to see safe password in Google account. Let's get started with the video. To begin, start by opening the Google in your browser. Then click on the search bar and search for google.com. From the menu that appears, select Manage your Google account to access your settings. At the top of the page, you will notice several tabs. Simply scroll through them and select the Security tab. After entering the Security section, scroll all the way down until you find the Manage Password option and click on it. Here you will be able to see a list of all the passwords saved to your Google account organized by platform or website. To view a specific password, just select the platform you are interested in. Once inside, you will see the login details. If you want to reveal the hidden password, simply click on the eye icon next to it. Finally, you now have full access to your safe password whenever you need them. There you go. Now you know how to see safe password in Google account.